Today's birthday of my daughter-in-law.
Jack Daniels at saka yan yung
Ilan taon na ba? Ayun na. Ilang taon na? 28 daw siya, guys. So, simple celebration ng pamilya. Ayan na yung dalawang ebidensya, friends. Ayan, dalawang mga anak. May ipakita ko sa iyo yung birthday, sa inyo yung birthday girl. Wow. Ayaw magpasindi.
Ayaw ko po hindi. Punta mo sa kalaan yung ano.
Happy birthday to you.
parang may tulak.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sel! Hindi ba maabot? Ah, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hinga!
Ay, birthday girl! Birthday girl! Oh, ganda ng birthday girl. Ayan ah. Ayan yung dalawa oh. Ayan na oh. Baby Kiara!
Ako birthday ah!
Ay, hindi pala birthday Baby Kiara. Wow!
Maganda mo yan.
Wow! Sarap! Happy birthday! Wow, may cake ulit guys. Bigayan ng kaibigan ng aking daughter-in-law. At yung bigas, bigayan ni Mior pang birthday. Thank you, Mior.